Hello students. So due to some technical problem I could not be able to complete my last video. So in this video I'll explain the remaining part which was left. That is that in case of deleting a node from the binary tree, and if that node has two children, suppose this is the tree, and here you see that the value of if we want to delete 60 from this tree, and this is a value of n. So what we have to identify first? We have to identify there is the n is 60 here, and n has two children, there is 50 and 66, and we have to identify the successor of n. And what is the successor of n? So S of n is the in order successor of n. That is, we have to traverse this tree. You have to traverse this tree in order manner so that we can identify the value of S of n. So this is a sequence: 33, then 40, then 55, then 60, then 66. Now here you see that the in order successor of 60 is 66. So if we traverse this tree in order manner, the node which will come after that, the node n, will be the in order successor of n. So this is n and this is S of n. So here we have identified this S of n. So in that case, what you have to do? You have to replace the value of n with the S of n. So here you see that 40, 33, 66, then 55. So this is how you can delete a node which has two children. Now I am considering one more binary tree. Suppose if you want to delete this 25 from this tree, and here you see that 25 has two children, 15 and 40. So we have to identify this S of n, because n is 25. What is the value of S of n? So you will traverse this tree in order manner. Suppose 13, then 20, then 15, like this, 25, 30 and 33. So we can stop here also after, once we get the successor of 25, because the value of n is 25. Once we get the successor of 25, then immediately you can stop the traversing. So here the successor of 25 is what? 30. This is the n, this is the S of n. So we will replace this 30, there is 25 with 30. So 30 will come here, 30 will replace 25, and 33 will go here. So after deleting 25, the tree will like this. So 30 will come here, 15, 40, 20, then 30, then 33, 44, and the right subtree as it is, that previous or that before deleting the node, the right subtree remain same. So one thing you remember here is that once you delete a node from the binary tree, you have to keep the properties of binary tree. That is that the node which are there in the left subtree will be less than the parent node, and the nodes which are in the right subtree will be greater than or equal to the parent node. So after deleting, you should remember, or you should maintain the properties of binary tree, whether in case 1 or case 2 or in case 3, because the case 3 is the more complicated than the case 1 and case 2. So with this video I am conclude this binary search tree. Okay, and that one more question I have already given you, that is insert a node into the binary search tree or delete a node from the binary search tree. So you try to do this problem. Okay.